I, Dr. Santosh Singh, Professor of Sociology, wants to share my views on caste system, which is a topic of BA first year, second year, third year. And in addition to this, even in MA classes also we find this topic of caste system. The word caste has been derived from a Portuguese word casta, which means division, dividing the society, or you can say even the breed or the race. The caste system has originated from Varna system. Actually, in primitive societies in India, there was Varna system. We all know that Varna means color. A caste system is one in which people are born into their social standing and will remain in it in their whole lives. People are assigned occupations not according to their talents or interests. In simple language, caste actually denotes our identity in Hindu religion. There is a very important type of categories. There are four major caste groups in caste system. At the top are Brahmins, then Kshatriyas, then Vaishyas, then Shudras, then Dalits. Actually, these caste groups are hereditary in nature. The different features of caste system are many, but one by one I would like to summarize quickly. First of all, in caste system, we get this a social status is ascriptive because we don't achieve it. It is given by birth. Caste accords the individual a fixed status in the society. An individual automatically enjoys the status of the caste into which he is born. The next feature of caste system is social, cultural, religious security, which is provided in the caste group. In the next feature, there is restrictions on feeding and social intercourse. Actually, what happens that there are different types of food, such as we in Hindu religion, there are some customs which we perform. During that, certain foods are offered, and those food we divide into two categories: kacha bhojan, paka bhojan. Next feature is endogamy. That means within the caste group you get married. Outside the caste was not allowed, just as we see today in the modern society that intercaste marriages are being followed. So this was the rules of marriage in caste system. Next feature is restriction on choice of occupation. You couldn't choose your occupation according to your interest or talent. Whatever you could go for occupation was given by birth, and that occupation you had to follow. That means we can say that there was no social mobility in occupation or in social way that one status can be changed according to your sweet will. That was not possible. Then next, there are many features are there. To cut short, Jajmani system was found, in which the lower caste groups used to serve the judgmans in the villages, and today it is a ban on it, no doubt. Then there are several features like social and religious disabilities were there, that if you're walking on the road you have to keep a social distance, because if your shadow falls on the higher caste group you have to pay penalties, and it was decided by the caste panchayats. So there are so many features of caste system. Now in modern caste system, today what we find that the caste system is disintegrating. It's changing into class system, because we find that the metropolitan cities are where is the specific place where we find that class system is rising up, and the caste system is still there. We cannot say that it has diminished totally. It is still there, but its importance is little bit decreasing day by day. Now we find that still in villages the caste system is rigid. All the features which I have told earlier are still followed strictly, but as we move to the towns and cities we find that this caste system is losing its grip. The caste system in India is the main cause of social inequality. We all know that outside India, in American society also, we find racism, which is divided on two categories, white and black. So these differences always have occurred in our society. We just cannot remove. Now, let me tell you something about the advantages of caste system, or you can say the beneficial functions of the caste system are: we get social status in this caste system by birth, we don't have to work for it. Then we get the social security, cultural security, religious security, and socialization. We know that when we are brought up in our caste groups, we learn all the rituals, customs which are necessary to live in this society. Then there are other advantages also, like by if we have to choose a mate, we don't find difficulties. We know that we have to marry in our caste groups. So these overall we can say this caste system integrates our society, brings unity within the caste groups, but politically these caste factor are used for their own selfish interest by the political parties. So these are the some of the advantages which I have told you quickly. Now, let me tell you some of the evils of caste system, or the disadvantages which we have been facing right from the beginning. At the top, we can say this untouchability. We know that in these four caste groups, the lowermost caste group are treated as untouchables, but we know that the law has been made, still we try to avoid them. And then there are child marriages, restrictions on social interaction, social religious disabilities. Then we cannot choose our occupation according to our interest or according to our talent. Then there are various schemes which are enjoyed by the higher caste groups. Unnecessary rituals are there, which, for example, I would say that when a shadow falls on the higher caste person, then he or she has to, I mean, the lower caste has to pay a lot of penalties. Then there are different deprivations according to education also. Lower caste were deprived of getting education or entering into the temples. Then difficulties for Dalit women. We all know that they have suffered a lot. Now there should be a change in our perspectives. So I would add up that yes, caste system is decreasing and class system is coming up. We all know that class system is an open system. We hope that class system rules in everybody's mind. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please click the likes and subscribe it, and press the icon so that you can get my notifications in future. Thank you.